Have you ever pondered how a bee's laborious work transforms into the sweet honey we savor? This golden delight, a product of tireless workers, has been cherished for its sweetness and health benefits for centuries. Honey, a culinary gem, finds its place in kitchens around the globe. From the delicate pastries of France to the robust stews of Morocco, it's a key ingredient that has shaped our culinary landscape. But it doesn't stop there. Honey is a cultural cornerstone. In Ethiopia, it's used to brew a traditional drink called tej, and in ancient Egypt, it was offered to the gods. Yet, the journey of honey is a complex one. It begins with the humble flower and ends on our breakfast toast, passing through a series of intricate processes, each more fascinating than the last. So how does this transformation happen? How does a simple nectar become a worldwide culinary phenomenon? Join us as we delve into the fascinating journey from a flower to your breakfast toast. It all commences with diligent bees and vibrant flowers. The industrious world of bees is composed of various roles, but among the most crucial are the worker bees, the gatherers of nectar. These bees have a singular mission: to extract the sweet liquid from flowers and transport it back to their hive. As they flit from blossom to blossom, they sip nectar using their long, tube-like tongues. An intriguing process that's as much about survival as it is about the creation of the sweet, golden liquid we know as honey. This nectar is stored in a special stomach, separate from their digestive stomach, a dedicated honeypot, if you will. Worker bees are essentially flying factories, capable of carrying almost their own body weight in nectar. Once their stomachs are full, they make the journey back to the hive, a place buzzing with activity and purpose. Upon their return, the nectar is then regurgitated and passed on to indoor worker bees. These bees are the next step in the honey production line. They receive the nectar and begin the process of transforming it into honey. This handoff is more than a simple exchange, it's a key step in the creation of honey. The nectar, which was once just a sweet liquid in a flower, is now on its way to becoming something more. The indoor worker bees are the unsung heroes of the hive, tirelessly working to convert the nectar into honey. They chew the nectar, breaking it down into simple sugars, and then spread it throughout the honeycombs, where it will gradually dry out and transform into honey. This hive, a bustling metropolis of activity, is the first stage of the honey production line. The bees' work to gather and process the nectar is a testament to their role in our ecosystem, providing us with a product that is not only delicious, but also has numerous health benefits. But the nectar's journey doesn't end here, it's only the beginning. The nectar, now in the care of the worker bees, will undergo a transformation. It will become a delicious golden treat savored by many. But that, dear listeners, is a story for another scene. If you are enjoying this video so far, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'll really appreciate it. The nectar, now in the hive, undergoes an astonishing transformation. The hive is not just a storage space, it's also a bustling factory where the real magic happens. The worker bees, true jack of all trades, now take on the role of chemists, transforming the nectar into honey. But how do they do it? Well, it all begins with enzymes. The bees have a unique ability to produce enzymes in their honey stomachs. These enzymes are mixed with the nectar, and they kickstart a process called inversion. Inversion is essentially the breaking down of complex sugars in the nectar into simpler ones. This process is crucial because it makes the honey easier to digest and ensures it doesn't spoil. Now, the nectar is not honey yet, it's still too watery. So, the bees take the next step. They start fanning their wings over the honeycomb, creating a draft that causes water to evaporate from the nectar. This process is repeated again and again, with the bees working tirelessly until the water content of the nectar drops significantly. The nectar thickens and becomes more concentrated, transforming into a substance we recognize as honey. But it's not just the consistency that changes. The color, aroma, and taste of the honey are also developed during this process. The enzymes added by the bees not only break down the sugars, they also contribute to the honey's unique flavor profile. And finally, when the bees deem the honey perfect, they cap the honeycomb cell with wax, preserving the honey for later use. This is the bees' way of canning their food. Each cell is a tiny jar of honey, ready for consumption whenever needed. And voila, the sweet golden honey is ready, but how does it reach our tables? Well, that's a story for the next scene. For now, let's just marvel at the amazing work of these industrious little creatures and the sweet treat they produce. From the hive to your home, the journey of honey is meticulous. Once the sweet nectar is transformed into honey within the hive, the next phase begins: extraction. This involves removing the beeswax cap from each honeycomb cell, a process known as uncapping. The exposed honeycombs are then placed in a centrifuge, a device that spins them rapidly to extract the honey by force of gravity. The extracted honey isn't quite ready for your breakfast table yet. It first needs to pass through a series of filters to remove any remaining wax, propolis, or other impurities. This step is crucial in maintaining the purity and quality of the honey. Finally, the filtered honey is ready to be bottled. It's filled into jars, sealed tightly and labeled, all set to sweeten your day. So the next time you drizzle honey onto your pancakes, remember the incredible journey it has undertaken. Honey, a testament to the tireless efforts of our buzzing friends. It's the sweet, golden end product of an intricate dance between nature and the industrious honeybee. We've journeyed from the buzzing hives, where worker bees gather nectar with a dedication that is nothing short of awe-inspiring, to the intriguing process that transforms this nectar into the honey we all know and love. We've delved into the meticulous process of honey extraction and purification, where the raw honey is strained, filtered, and pasteurized to ensure its purity and longevity. It's a process as fascinating as it is complex, a true testament to the intricate harmony of nature and human ingenuity. The importance of bees cannot be overstated. They are key players in the ecosystem, and their role in honey production is just one facet of their contribution. So, savor every drop of this liquid gold and appreciate the marvel of nature and the wonders of honey production. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on all our delicious adventures. Until next time, take care and keep enjoying life's sweetest pleasures.